Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today is another beautiful day after a long while that I've not, made any video online. So guys, I'm saying welcome back to Knitting Catalog. So today we want to go into, talks pattern with card 2, and this is card 2 already installed in my knitting machine. So I made a post on my YouTube channel, showing you the picture of card 2 in that post. So this is card 2 already installed in my knitting machine. So I want to show you guys in this tux pattern is going to be like a lace pattern and in form of honeycomb shape. This is where the joining is. You can see my hand. You can see where the joining is, guys. Immediately after the joining, guys, I'm going to roll the card in 7 times, and that's the beginning of the card, the punch card. That's the beginning. So why I'm doing this to this card is, you want it to start at the beginning because it's a shape of 4 box like that. So I don't want it to be, not falling into the right position. So I want it to start from the beginning. So I'm going to count 7 rows in right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to clip it down. Put your card on hold. Then guys, you can see you have to knit few rows as the foundation. Maybe you want to knit in rib, you want to do band, anyhow you want to do it. So just knit and make sure in broader knitting machine, make sure your carriage is at your left side. Make sure your carriage is at your left side. Then I'm going to turn this to inform my machine. I want to go into punch card knitting, and I'm going to knit 1 row right now. So that's it. Then I'm going to hang weight on this work right now because it's going to be giving me some loops of yarn. It's going to be bringing out loops in which if I didn't control it from the starting, it may not make the knitting comes out well. So I'm going to hang this. That's it. This last 2 button by your left side is tux pattern. So I'm going to press the 2 together and open my card to green or small size. So that's it. Then I'm going to start to knit as many rows I want to knit. So from the beginning of this knitting, you are going to be experiencing some loops as if the knitting is not all right, or the needle may be, selecting wrongly. Just make sure you reselect them back to how they're supposed to be and continue knitting. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So you can see what I mean here. So I'm going to adjust them back. So on this pattern, it do happen this way. So just adjust them back. That's it. You can see another one here. So I'm tempted to add another weight. So this pattern needs a lot of weight. So that's it. Then that's 1 row, guys. Then see, so you can see the loops now forming on the 2 needles. So then continue knitting. So now it's becoming regular, it's becoming normal. So guys, you can see what we have here. You can see what we have. You can see design of cattle in tux pattern. So that's it. Look at the back, guys.